Welcome to ESS Simplified. Most IB ESS students are studying the wrong way. Practicing past papers again and again will not give you a 7. Many students repeat past papers without understanding the concepts behind the questions. In this video, I'll show you the 3 things that actually determine success in the ESS exam. This channel focuses on the core ideas students need to understand to succeed in IB, Environmental Systems and Societies. Environmental Systems and Societies is built around vocabulary. ESS vocabulary is the language of environmental systems. The first foundation for success in ESS is vocabulary mastery. Students must know the terms, understand them, and use them correctly when answering exam questions. Foundation 2. Command terms tell students exactly how to answer a question. Many students lose marks because they misunderstand the command term. The third foundation of ESS is systems thinking. ESS exam questions often connect ideas from different units of the syllabus. Students who understand these connections are much better prepared for the exam. One important rule: many students write answers based on the space on the exam paper. Instead, the structure and length of your answer should match the command term. Know the steps for success. Students who reach these higher levels are much more likely to earn top marks. High-scoring answers start with understanding and move to analysis and evaluation. Steps for success. 1. Read the question. 2. Know and use the command term correctly. It tells you how to answer. 3. Use the correct ESS vocabulary. Step 4. Use the command term to link ESS vocabulary to the concept. Remember to use an example or case study if needed. Follow this structure and you can answer any ESS question. How do we know? Our students tell us it works. This is how you earn a 7 on ESS Paper 1 and Paper 2. ESS Express gives students a clear way to review vocabulary, command terms, and systems thinking before the final exam. Let's apply the ESS answer structure to a real exam question. First, read the question carefully. Let's apply the ESS answer structure to a real exam question. First, identify the command term. Here, it's explain. Explain means show the causes and the result. Next, identify the key ESS vocabulary connected to the question. Now link the vocabulary to the ESS concept. Finally, support the answer with an example if the command term requires it. Now you know what most students don't. You can do well in ESS. You just need clarity and structure. Don't just practice and hope. Know how to answer. This is what ESS teachers focus on: how to answer, not just what to study. Stop guessing. Start scoring.